Dear children, I am back. Are you all ready to attend the class? Have a lovely day ahead. Okay, welcome back to Maths class. Now, today our topic is odd and even numbers. Okay, so now today our topic is odd and even numbers. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss the topic odd and even numbers. So, all of you take your classwork. Take your classwork, all of you, and draw the margin. Write today's date 24/9. Okay, write the date, and here margin down. You keep the side heading odd and even numbers. Odd and even numbers. So now here in the board I given the definitions of odd and even numbers. So now all of you take your pen and write the definitions of odd and even numbers in your classwork. Okay. So now what is the definition of odd numbers? The numbers with the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 8, 1 at the ones place are known as odd numbers. Okay, understood? First note down the definition. The numbers with the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 8 the ones place are known as odd numbers. Known as odd numbers. Now finish the definition and then you can draw the line. Okay, odd numbers definition over. Now this odd number definition finished. After, draw the line and write even number definition. The numbers with the digits, write down in your classwork. Note down all of you. The numbers with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 8 the ones place are known as even numbers. Understood all of you? So, the numbers with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at the ones place are known as even numbers. Now, here finish it after finished, can you draw the line? After finished, all of you draw the line and write one more 2 points here. The smallest 3-digit odd number 101. The smallest 3-digit odd number 101 and the largest 3-digit even number 998. Okay. So now I underline these numbers. Okay. You also underline with a pencil. Okay. Even numbers here underline. These are the main points. Odd numbers underline. Okay. This is the odd numbers definition and this is the even number definition. And 101 is the smallest 3-digit odd number and 998 is the largest 3-digit even number. So note down in your classwork these points. Note down all of you and write with neat handwriting. Okay, write with neat handwriting. Okay, now finish now. Now I would like to explain what are the odd numbers and what are the even numbers. Now here, for example, 56. So now in ones place, what is the number having here? In ones place 6. So then 6 is the even number or odd number? Even number. So the 56 is, total 56 is even number. Okay, understood all of you? So one more problem I am explaining. 381. 381. In this 381, in ones place, what is the number having here? In ones place, odd number. Ones place, odd number. So the total number is odd number. Why? Because in ones place even number is there. The next remaining tens place, hundreds place or thousand place, whatever number are even or odd, that is not considered. Only ones place number even, the total number is even. In ones place odd, the total number is odd. Understood? So now here 381, 1 is a odd number. But in tens place here given even number. But the total number is considered as a odd number. Okay, understood? The number is even or odd depends upon the ones place. Okay. Now one more problem I am explaining. $497. Now in 497, now I am check the ones place. In ones place, what is the number having here? In ones place here 7. So now 7 is the odd number. So now total number is odd number. So now look at the board once, all of you. Odd number. Now here in tens place odd number, but in hundreds place here even number. But no, that is not a considered. Only in ones place odd number, the total number is odd number. For example, 356. 356. Now here 356. Here in ones place, what is the number having here? Even number. So now here 6 is a even number. But here in tens place odd number, and here hundreds place odd number. But that is not a considered. 6 is a even number and 6 is in ones place. So that's why the total number is even number. Now we are understood what are the odd numbers and even numbers. In next class we are discussing in detailed way in odd numbers and even numbers. Now in this class I would like to explain only definitions and give some examples also. Okay, understood all of you? Note down in your classwork with neat handwriting. Okay, and send it to, and take a photo and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. Okay, understood all of you? Now take your diaries, all of you. Take your diary. Today's homework, not a homework, classwork only. Now this whatever definitions given in your classwork, and take a photo and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. Okay, understood all of you? Understood? Any more doubt? No doubt, no? So what is the today's work? Today's work only class work. Whatever I given in class definitions, you can write down in your class work with neat handwriting and send it to, take a photo and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. And take your diary, all of you, and write today date and day. Day. Today's day. Day and date. Thursday. Today's day, Thursday, and date 24/9. And write diary work. Max diary work. Today's Max diary work. Write definitions of odd and even numbers odd and even numbers in classwork. Okay. So whatever I given definitions, you can write in your classwork and send it, take a photo and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. Okay. We will meet again even and odd numbers in detailed way next class. Okay. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.